hanging out with a bunch of girls, and there's like somebody talking behind them. Yeah, the guy that everybody talks about. You know what I'm talking about, right?
Yeah, yeah.
And he's just chilling.
Okay, do the video now. Go.
I can't do it on prom. On a day after work, after working so hard, grab your dog, put him on your lap. 1845, simpler times. Shalom. It's not as smooth as the guy in Dos Equis, he's better.
Oh, it's supposed to be the commercial of Simpler Times.
Show the beer.
Simpler times.
It's simpler times, baby.
Where did you get the 1845?
1845.
Ah.
Simpler Times Brewing Company.
I like your shirt.
It's like this, huh?
Yeah.
Ethnic roots.
Why are you wearing your sleeve?
It's yours.
I know, but why are you still wearing it?
No, it's yours.
Is it?
Yeah, jerk. It is yours. Simpler Times.
Jerk chicken.
Simpler times.
What did I tell you? I'm a vegetarian. I'm a pescatarian.